Alright, cold start the world. Get the fuck. Alright, cold start the world. Hold on, where the key holder? Dang, I be tripping. It ain't that loud. It ain't that bad. It ain't that loud at all. So what's up, YouTube? Back with another one. I don't think I told y'all last week, but earlier last week, like Tuesday, I hit a deer. And I'm gonna show y'all the damage. It didn't do much. It tore out the grill. So I'm finna tell y'all about last Tuesday, what happened, right? Last Tuesday, I hit a deer. On the way to work. Now I get to work, I realized I ain't have no work boots. So I'm like, dang. So I go back home. I didn't go back to work after that because hit a deer. I ain't have no boots, so it felt like everything was going wrong. So I get home, I get on eBay, I order a grill for a 2010 Mustang, I believe. It's a 2010 to 14. Dude said it fit. I ordered out eBay for $100. So it ain't new at all. It's used. Balling on the budget, you know. But whatever. So I don't even know if the grill's gonna fit. You know what I'm saying? So what I'm finna do, we finna take a quick run to Walmart. And y'all might get a little ride along. And we gonna go to Walmart. Nah, I ain't gonna let y'all ride along with me. I'm gonna fast forward. I don't want y'all to see me driving. I drive crazy. But we finna go to Walmart. I'm gonna get the tools I need, and then we gonna go clean this grill up. It's just a little dusty. It ain't really dirty. But we finna get that together, and we gonna do a little install, see how it look. If it don't fit, what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna ride with no grill. Then I may just end up ordering the saline rep from LMR. I think it's the X281. I don't know. But anyways, we finna see what this grill look like, how it fit, clean it up, all that. So I'll be back. Okay, we back. Finna show you this grill. As you know, I got a California special car, and I tore the grill out. It's tore it out. Put the gutter guard back there. You can see right there it's dented. I don't know if you can see it. It got a lot of leaves in it, but really that what happened. It just broke all that. Just broke it. Look at the zip tie. Zip tie survived. So we finna replace that. Finna get in there. Alright, we back. As you can see, I'm still at Walmart. I had to come get a few things, but I'm gonna do this install in Walmart parking lot. Let's admire the car for a minute. Damn, I'm parked on the curb. But anyways, going to the trunk. Hold on. Let me show you them lights. Car's been a little bit lower, been on the ground. Going lower soon. Look at them lights though. Look at them lights. Okay, Aunt Bed, you got to go. All right, hold on. Going in the trunk. Holy shit, trash. Well, that's the Boston that came in. Shout out to Age Parts on eBay. It came packaged pretty well, as you can see. Plastic, foam, hold 10 yards. Whatever. But we finna get this up out of here. And before I leave, I'm gonna get this back. Put it in the trash, but right now I'm gonna get it out of my way. Oh, my work clothes, my work boots. I finally got my work boots. And I ain't even gotta go to work. Ain't that something? But anyway, here go the grill. We gonna sit that down and look at it. So give me a second. Look at it. See what it's talking about. But see, anyway, we finna wipe it down, cause I mean, I think it'll be a nice look for it. 2010 grill. Hopefully it fit. I think it'll fit. I think it'll look good. I'm not gonna do the fog lights. I'm actually gonna put some gutter guard behind those holes because I don't like the fog lights. I don't think the fog lights look good. And I think the black horse will go well with the black 5.0 badges. So we finna get everything set up and we're gonna be right back. I'm gonna wipe that down after I put it on the car. You know what I'm saying? I'll be right back. Okay, we back. We finna get this grill on. Then we gonna get this other one on. I already show you what the other one look like. I got it off eBay. Once again, shout out to AH Parts. Then we finna get started. First to get started, you know, you got these tabs up here, I ain't got none because I got to go get something from the parts store. Just take them out, take this off, set it to the side. The bumper, the grill itself, you just pull off. See how easy that was? I don't even think it was attached, but that's my old grill. As you can see, full of bugs. That's how I made it, tore up. Nothing to it. Now I'm finna get the other one out the trunk, get that one in there. Like I showed y'all, this the other grill. I got the fog light deletes on the way. I'm ordering those as soon as I get to the house. Instead of making the mesh for it, I'm just order the piece. So we finna get this on in there. Put it in there, you just line the tabs up. Give it a little bump. You hear it? Get this, slide it back under there. I need to pull those out while I'm thinking about it, because I done forgot. Open my door. I got some old broke off tabs. Y'all may have to, but I don't know. So like I said, y'all may have the tabs. I ain't got them because budget build is cheap, it's raggedy. I gotta get some new tabs. I'm going to get those in a second. At the moment, just cut my old tabs off, the ones that broke, because they're not a heavy piece. I mean, it's just a tab. That one back in. Alright, that's it for that. So just slide this back on. Right there. Put your tabs back. And you're done. Simple as that. Only take maybe 5-10 minutes at the most to do the whole grill. I'm gonna show you how it look, and we're gonna go from there. 1 second. Get this up out of here. Show you what's going on. So, if anybody was wondering, I do have the GTCS, which has the Boss front end. This is a 2010 grill, I think. I could be wrong. That may be 11 to 12, but I know for sure it comes on the 2010. And as you can see, that's how it look. I'm ordering the fog light deletes, so them holes won't be there. Other than that, it looks good. About to go get the clamps, well, the tabs to put in. Show y'all the whole car. I'm gonna close the hood in the trunk. Show y'all everything, how it look. But as you can see, it ain't no hard install. Like I was saying, got a tab there, 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 there. One over there in the corner, one there, one there, and one right there. And that's it. The grill just pull out, it clamps. You'll see the tabs. The tabs, nothing too special about them. I don't think they'll break unless you just rough with it. But that's the old stock motor right there. Coyote, JLT catch can. I need to clean up under here. Hold on. All right, you ready?
Hey, Juju Southern Kitchen, come get you some food.
What?
One way.
Warner Robins?
Warner Robins, Georgia.
All right, I put in my video, let them know to come down there and get some food.
Thank you.
All right, now. Anyways, this back to the car. This how it look. The grill was a nice touch. All right, that's it for this video. I showed you the install of the other grill. I showed you my lights. I did a walk around on my car. I got more videos on the way. I'll be doing a 6-piston Brembo upgrade. I'll be doing a Cobra Jet install. The plain deck lid panel, I'm gonna get that. I got the grill deletes on the way, the fog light deletes on the way, so I will be reviewing those, installing those. That won't be a long video. I got the 14-inch rear rotors on the way. So that's another video I'll be doing. And I'll be doing a review on the bracket to push the calipers out. But anyway, that's it. Y'all subscribe, y'all like. Of course, if you watch it this far, you know you had to watch it. Anyways, that's it. Come again for the next video. I'll be back. I'm out.